Have you ever thought about how much you're willing to give up just to have a thinner phone? That question is starting to get a lot more attention after some recent leaks showed what Samsung might be planning for the Galaxy S25 Edge. The phone briefly appeared on a couple of websites in Italy, and it wasn't just the design that got people talking, it was the price. According to those listings, the Galaxy S25 Edge might cost more than what many expected, and that's leading to a lot of debate online. Let's break it down. An Italian retailer named Zanetti accidentally published a product page for the Galaxy S25 Edge. The page showed two storage variants minus 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes. The prices listed were €1,362 for the 256 gigabytes model and €1,488 for the 512 gigabytes version. That's a noticeable jump from earlier rumors, which suggested the base model would be somewhere around €1,249 or €1,259. These new numbers are about €100 higher, which surprised a lot of people. To make things even more interesting, the S25 Edge seems to be priced above the Galaxy S25 Plus. That's unusual, because the Edge isn't supposed to be a top-tier model like the Ultra. Instead, it's aimed at users who prefer a sleek, stylish phone that's easy to carry around. So the fact that it might cost more than the Plus version has raised some eyebrows. The Ultra is still expected to be the most expensive in the series, but this leak makes it clear the Edge isn't going to be a budget-friendly option either. What gives this leak more credibility is that it wasn't just an any. Another Italian retailer, Epto, also posted the Galaxy S25 Edge with the same pricing and then quickly removed it. Both listings showed three possible color choices: titanium silver, titanium jet black, and titanium Isa blue. Zanetti called them Titan instead of titanium, but most people believe it's just a shortened version, not a different material. Interestingly, there was no mention of a 1TB version, which means users who need a lot of space might need to look at the Ultra model instead. The main highlight of the S25 Edge seems to be its super thin body. Rumors say it'll be just 5.84mm thick, making it one of the slimmest smartphones we've seen in a long time. But to get that kind of design, Samsung had to make a compromise: the battery. The S25 Edge is expected to come with a 3900 mAh, which is smaller than what you usually see in high-end phones today. That could be a deal breaker for people who rely on their phones for long hours of use. On the bright side, performance won't be an issue. The phone is said to come with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, which means it should handle multitasking, gaming, and general use without any problems. It's also expected to feature a 6.6-inch display, which is a good balance between screen size and portability for such a slim device. When it comes to cameras, the S25 Edge is rumored to have a 200 megapixels main sensor, the same one used in the Galaxy S25 Ultra. It'll also include a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens. That's not a huge camera setup, but considering the phone's slim design, it still sounds impressive. As for the release date, things have shifted a bit. While the launch was earlier expected in April, reports now suggest it might happen on May 13. It's also unclear if the S25 Edge will be available worldwide or just in selected regions. Some rumors hint it might skip the United States entirely. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.